Welcome to the Government Support Jobs Employer Portal. This overview will cover the main features of the portal, the newest tool for finding the right employee. After logging in, you land at the main Manage Jobs screen, where you can view your job postings, review open applications by job seekers, and see suggested candidates against your job postings as determined by our unique algorithm. Our job postings. These postings will include job descriptions, but also very specific criteria you set for education, experience, skills, certification, and security clearances. Our algorithm matches your specific criteria against the job seeker's inputted data in those same areas, making it more efficient and expeditious. Three icons allow us to view and edit the job posting, clone the posting, or delete it. Cloning is another time-saving tool that allows you to copy a job requirement and only edit the information that is different. This saves time spent inputting data all over again. Let's view one of these job postings. At the job posting main screen, there are options to edit the details, run the attribute guide, or clone the position as I mentioned earlier. The Attribute Guide allows you to set the job posting's required and desired criteria for education, skills, certifications, experience, and security clearance. Further down this screen is a section where you can view applications against this position. Further down the screen is the list of suggested candidates for this job posting based on our algorithm that compares the job requirements against our job seeker database. This saves considerable time and effort by automatically finding the most qualified. Imagine the time and effort it would take to do this with a stack of resumes. At the end of the screen, there are the position attributes selected for this position. All of these are modifiable by running the attribute guide. We'll scroll back up to Suggested Candidates and take a look at the suggested candidates that were matched by our algorithm. In today's job market, hundreds of resumes are submitted for a typical job posting. Wading through these resumes and interpreting value is excessively time-consuming, but our system does that work for you. Let's look at one of these candidates, job seeker 1805, that has been scored. At the candidate's attribute page, you can view a short summary of their background, as well as their required, desired, and other attributes in relation to the job posting. Additionally, the candidate's job seeker status is portrayed as either passive, active, or aggressive. The status is inputted by the job seeker as to how motivated they are in the job hunt. Job seekers that do not periodically log in, review, and update their profiles are purged from our system. We are only seeing limited details about the candidate at this time since we have not purchased their profile, but we are able to review their attributes, make notes, save the candidate to our folder, or print a PDF file containing the contents of this page. Let's scroll down to Job Attribute Matching Graph to view how their job attributes match up. We can see that they meet the required attributes in experience, in clearance, and the desired attributes in degree, but don't meet the desired skills or certifications. The Job Attribute Matching Chart shows the criteria that we specified. By scrolling down further, we can view other candidate attributes, including their stated career objective. This allows you to make a further assessment of the candidate's total makeup and decide if there are trade-offs or other attributes that make the candidate worthy of further consideration. Additionally, we can review this candidate against other job postings that are arranged on the left side of the page. Purchasing a profile with full contact information and the candidate's resume is a simple step with just a few clicks. We will go back to Manage Jobs. And we'll scroll down to Open Applications. And click on Job Seeker 1164. Whose profile we previously purchased. At the top of the screen, we are given options to either accept the application for consideration and place it in the Saved Candidates folder, or remove them from the open applications queue. For a purchase profile, you get an extended summary containing more detailed information, contact information, and a link to download their resume. The Save Candidates link allows you to review previously saved candidates as well as your purchase history. Searching for candidates is simplified by our algorithm matches the job seeker's education, skills, experience, certifications, and clearance information. You simply set the criteria and add it to your search, and the candidates are scored and matched for you. We'll briefly review some of the search criteria you can select. Level of education in either a general or specific field of study. Experience, type, service branch, by installation, primary job function, and years of experience. Skills with selectable categories, number of years of experience in that skill set, and proficiency. Certifications with the ability to filter by categories, and clearance information. Additional search options are available by job category, distance, and the use of slider bars, the ability to reorder candidates by adjusting the relative importance of the attributes, and then resorting them. Here is a sample result with the criteria we used, which is bachelor's degree, 20 years in the Air Force, and secret clearance. These 9 candidates matched 100% of those attributes. In today's job market, with hundreds of applications for any given job opening, employers need better tools. This web portal is that tool by forcing the job seeker to input their information in a manner that allows our algorithm to work for you. This concludes the overview of the Government Support Jobs Employer Portal.